Alright, this is a video for all you people out there that own crappy Apple products. It's okay. I own them too. It's okay. This iPad had the cord break inside of it. I've watched all your videos out there where you get the cord, you put super glue on it, and you pull it out. It did not work for me. Did not work for me, but I'll show you what did. What I did was I got the old DeWalt out, very skinny drill bit. I drilled down maybe 3 times, and then I got this, and I was able, little tiny screwdriver, was able to dig in the holes and get that stuff up. And the very last piece, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Right there on the book. To your left. On the
Where?
to the left, right there. Is that right between your finger and your thumb? Is that it?
This?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
All right. Well, whatever. The last thing that you're going to find in there is this tip, this metal tip. That metal tip, in like the shape of a U. You just get this down on that thing, and you just pop it out, and it worked. It worked. Saved me $159 for the insurance. There you go. That's how you do it if the super glue method doesn't work.
Thank you.